Well, I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but we're gonna get some bad weather tonight. Supposed to get a lot of hail, a lot of bad winds, and horrendous rain. It's been pretty the last few days, but as you can see, there's quite a bit of wind in them clouds right now. Well, I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but I can. Ooh, I just saw some lightning over there to the left. It's on its way. Stand by. We'll see how it looks later. Well, it's the next day, Sunday, and as you can see, it is bright and sunshiny and beautiful. And last night, I waited till like 2 o'clock in the morning. Nothing happened. So after my eyeballs almost fell back into the backside of my head and almost fell out of my chair, being sleepy, I finally went to bed. I said, the heck with it. And so anyway, it is what it is. And a lot of times we have weather go around us. Yeah, there's the airplanes again. Yeah, them dadgum things always seem like they only really get real apparent is when I'm out here trying to record something. But anyway, hell, I forgot what I was going to say now. Senior moment. But anyway, most of the weather, bad weather, usually goes around us for some reason. I don't know why, but I guess that's good in some aspects. But then when we really need the rain, the good Lord actually brings it to us. So anyway, hope y'all have a great day. I'm just going to do my normal thing, sit behind my desk on YouTube and do my thing with the cameras. I'm expecting my I-Steady Pro 4 gimbal to show up on the 21st, which is next Friday, this coming Friday. And I may or may not do a review on it. There's a million reviews already. So the airplanes are driving me crazy. Seem like they're getting lower and lower and louder and louder. But it is windy today, but it is a beautiful day. So y'all have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.